Hi guys, welcome back to my garage model railway. It's Dennis back again. Last video I was ballasting this track. As you can see, after a couple of days it's dry. That's all done. Just tidy it up, give the track a good cleaning all round as far as there. Now in a minute, coffee break first, start to do ballasting round to here, and that'll be all the ballasting done. Out of the way. Video again when it's all finished. Back scene excuse me, it's all done as usual. Lights up, street lights, so that's all finished. Just got to get some figures, add some more figures to it. That's all the light needs now, some more vehicles and figures. Finish off in there. That's not done yet, but I'm pleased the way it's turned out. And like I say, any comments welcomed, any suggestions welcomed. That's the lift up section I done. Stop me from bending down, getting too old for that now. Give it all a good clean and have a running session. Service all the locos. Got a new turntable and motor coming, so I'm having trouble with that one. I'll wait for the turntable and motor to come. When I do that, I'll make a video. Thank you for watching and see you again. Bye for now.